Hi friends, how are you? In this video we are going to learn about the abnormalities of acid-base balance. The failure of acid-base balance could either lead to acidosis or alkalosis. Acidosis. Acidosis occurs as a result of increased addition of acid or decreased removal of acid or an increased loss of base. These are the causes for occurring of acidosis. Coming to alkalosis. Alkalosis occurs as a result of increased addition of base or decreased removal of base or an increased loss of an acid. Alkalosis represents elevated arterial pH and an increased partial pressure of CO2 that occurs due to the subsequent compensatory alveolar hyperventilation to reduce the pH. Once again, alkalosis represents elevated arterial pH and an increased partial pressure of CO2. The increased partial pressure of CO2 occurs due to the subsequent compensatory alveolar hypoventilation. This hypoventilation leads to reduce the expulsion of CO2 from our body. This causes the pH reduced for the acidosis. Okay. Usually alkalosis is due to failure of kidneys to excrete bicarbonate at their normal capacity. Abnormalities of acid-base balance are typically classified into 4 groups: metabolic acidosis, respiratory acidosis, metabolic alkalosis, respiratory alkalosis. First, metabolic acidosis. Metabolic acidosis is the condition of primary bicarbonate deficit that results from excess removal of bicarbonate into urine in order to buffer the extra acids of the body. Etiopathogenesis. Excess acid in body occurs due to 3 major reasons. First, increased acid production. Increased production of organic acids like acetoacetic acid, beta-hydroxybutyric acid as occurs in diabetic ketoacidosis. Increased production of lactic acid as occurs in lactic acidosis, and other conditions such as methanol toxicity, salicylate toxicity, etc. And reduced acid elimination. The reduction in elimination of acids such as in renal failure, renal tubular acidosis, etc. In such conditions, the accumulated acid has to be neutralized in body, for which body bicarbonate gets exhausted, resulting in acidosis. And next is excessive loss of bicarbonate. The decreased reclamation of bicarbonate from the renal tubules due to its decreased reabsorption, excessive loss of bicarbonate from duodenal fluid as occurs in acute diarrhea, pancreatitis, intestinal fistula, etc. lead to acidosis. Respiratory compensation. With metabolic acidosis, ratio of bicarbonate ion concentration to partial pressure of CO2 decreases. The resulting fall in pH stimulates respiratory compensatory mechanism and hyperventilation occurs. This results in a drop of partial pressure of CO2 and pH is restored. When the respiratory compensatory mechanism is in full swing, the partial pressure of CO2 falls by 1 to 3 millimolarity of mercury for every millimolarity fall in bicarbonate ion. Once again, respiratory compensation. With metabolic acidosis, ratio of bicarbonate ion concentration to partial pressure of CO2 decreases. The resulting fall in pH stimulates respiratory compensatory mechanism and hyperventilation occurs. This results in a drop in partial pressure of CO2 and pH is restored. When the respiratory compensatory mechanism is in full swing, partial pressure of CO2 falls by 1 to 3 millimolarity of mercury for every millimolarity fall in bicarbonate ion. Okay. Respiratory compensation completed. Coming to renal compensation. Renal compensation, what is it? Renal compensation to metabolic acidosis causes increased acid excretion, ammonia formation, reclamation of bicarbonate ions. Once again, renal compensation to metabolic acidosis causes increased acid excretion, ammonia formation. That means acid is excreted, ammonia it is a base formation and reclamation of bicarbonate ions. Okay. Due to further in metabolic acidosis, acid formation is more in our body. For to compensate this, here occurs acid excretion occurring, base formation and base reclamation occurring. Okay, in metabolic acidosis. In next video, we are going to learn about the respiratory acidosis. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.